Looking for a lawn services expert? Let me show you in the following video how easy it is to find the best lawn services expert in your area.
Tired of spending your whole weekends mowing your lawn? Tired of breaking your back in the hot sun mowing trimming your shrubs? Do you love gardening but hardly have the time? We can help relieve this weekly burden and simplify your life. We work to maintain your lawn. We are your neighborhood lawn service. Our array of services will certainly answer your needs. Mowing lawns, trimming shrubs, replanting flower beds, spreading fresh mulch, etc. Our services are very reasonable and affordable. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Let us demonstrate the quality of our services. Once you hire us, we will become your go-to lawn care provider.
I hope you feel a little better. Now that you know exactly where to find the lawn experts in your area, give us a call now.